Hi, I'm Andy Cooper, Group Operations Manager for Worcester Car Sales. I got the recommendation for Plugyy because I was actually looking at the future, sustainability, and we've got some charging infrastructure at probably 4 or 5 of the sites. So I put it out to tender. All the companies came back to me, but honestly Plugyy were probably the most informative in terms of transparency with the pricing, walking me through the journey, and kind of made it feel like it was going to be hassle-free for me. So we instructed them to do 5 sites in the end. The guys at Plugyy and the girls at Plugyy are really easy to do business with. The install's gone really well, tidy job, help with the grants, help with what it's actually doing for our carbon footprint as well, because that's important. We're a company that employs over 300 people, so it's really important about the sustainability of the business and economically what's going on.
Hi, I'm Imran Khan. I'm one of the directors here at Plugyy. One of the streams that we found we've been working quite closely with recently has been car dealerships, where we find they have a challenge to electrify their fleets. So what we do, we effectively take the pain away from those dealerships. We carry out the feasibilities, we do all the grid assessments to make sure that the dealerships have grid capacity to enable them to have the EV infrastructure installed. We take care of all the designs, we actually construct the projects, and we maintain the project to enable the dealerships to effectively just be able to sort of plug and play with those charge points. We've worked with many of the manufacturers over the course of the years. We found partnering with Rolec has been fantastic. We saw a lot of hardware issues with some of the other manufacturers that we don't see with Rolec. We've built up a really good relationship with Rolec, and we hope to create a lot of projects with Rolec over the next few years.
This brand new partnership between Rolec and Plugyy has got off to a fantastic start with this project. We supported Plugyy throughout the entire journey, from concept and design to commissioning and installation handover. Plugyy chose Rolec for our high quality products, excellent customer service and reliable after-sales support.